3, 11. Please choose once again. You have to choose 4, 4. 8, 15, 1. Which house? Ticket is in house. Please get ready with 1, 2. Yes. 13, 14, 9. It's 9. 6. 12. 10. 5. And the last one, 7. So all the house Bs have got here the numbers of the 4 participants from these houses they have got. So according to a house Bs, you can give the number to your house representatives. Kanana harat 1 sige, kanana korat 1 sige have the house you listen to the So supposing Miss Olivia has won, you have got 4 students to whom you want to give the one. You have to choose it. So thank you so much all the house Bs. Please arrange according to it. Thank you so much. So I request from the ticketed house, see our house Miss Olivia have got number 1. So we are going to the first participant will be from the ticketed house. So please get ready. So we will start.
Kana mai khunjangedaba kana
So it's a draw. I mean, like they have to the house mates have to choose from here. So the first one is serial number 10. So I request those students who have got the serial number 10 to please come up on the stage and start here.
To all my dear teachers and to all my beloved brother and sister of Getwell School. Representing Haotal House is going to give speech of leader consensus speech of after election defeat of 2016. Last night I congratulated Donald Trump and offered to work with him on behalf of our country. I hope that he will be a successful president for all Americans. That is not outcome we wanted or we worked so hard for, and I'm sorry that we did not win this election for the values we share and the reasons we hold for our country. And I feel pride and gratitude for this wonderful career that we built Together, these best diverse, creative, and really ambitious campaign. That is, you represent the best of America, and being your candidate has been one of the greatest honors of my life. I know how disappointed you feel because I feel it too. And so do tens of millions of Americans and who understand their hopes and dreams. Hopes and dreams. This is in this effort. This is painful. It will be for a long time, but I want you to remember this. Our country was never one person or even one election. It was about our country. We love and building an America of our country. But we love our country and building an America. We all and mind open and sounds with our constitutional democracy and science the peaceful and respect the terrorists. It also has chance. It is of our country. We must respect and cherish the values and defend them. Thank you.
So, the first participant was Mr. Toy of class 9, and she was performing the act of Hillary Clinton. Please give a huge round of applause for Toy from the Kangal house. From the Kangal house, Toy, and she was acting as Hillary Clinton. Thank you so much.